Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most captivating ideas and books from around the world. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 7 key takeaways from the book Super Thinking, the Big Book of Mental Models by Gabriel Weinberg and McCann. This book teaches you how to make better decisions, solve problems effectively, and think more critically by understanding and applying mental models. Let's dive in. Key takeaway 1. The first key takeaway is that mental models are powerful tools that can help you understand the world and make better decisions. Mental models are cognitive frameworks that simplify complex concepts and help us process information more efficiently. By mastering mental models, you can improve your thinking and become a more effective problem solver. Key takeaway 2. The second key takeaway is the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. This mental model states that 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. By identifying and focusing on the most significant factors, you can maximize your impact and achieve your goals more efficiently. Key takeaway 3. The third key takeaway is first principles thinking. This mental model involves breaking down complex problems into their most basic components and rebuilding them from the ground up. By thinking from first principles, you can challenge assumptions, generate new ideas, and develop innovative solutions to problems. Key takeaway 4. The fourth key takeaway is understanding confirmation bias. This mental model reminds us that we often unconsciously seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory evidence. By being aware of confirmation bias, you can improve your decision-making by actively seeking out diverse perspectives and challenging your assumptions. Key takeaway 5. The fifth key takeaway is the sunk cost fallacy. This mental model states that we often continue to invest time, energy, or resources into a project or decision based on the amount we've already invested, rather than evaluating the current situation objectively. By recognizing and avoiding the sunk cost fallacy, you can make more rational decisions and avoid wasting resources. Key takeaway 6. The sixth key takeaway is Occam's razor. This mental model suggests that the simplest explanation is often the most likely one. When faced with multiple competing hypotheses, Occam's razor encourages you to choose the one with the fewest assumptions. This can help you streamline your thinking and avoid getting bogged down in unnecessary complexity. Key takeaway 7. The final key takeaway is Hanlon's razor. This mental model states that you should never attribute to malice what can be adequately explained by incompetence or ignorance. By applying Hanlon's razor, you can avoid making unwarranted assumptions about others' motives, which can lead to more effective communication and collaboration. And there you have it. These are the top 7 key takeaways from Super Thinking, the Big Book of Mental Models. By understanding and applying these mental models, you can improve your decision-making, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills. So go ahead, start incorporating these mental models into your daily life and see the difference they can make. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful book summaries and thought-provoking content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts on these mental models and any experiences you've had using them. Join the conversation in the comment section below. Remember, the more you practice using mental models, the better you become at thinking critically and making better decisions. Thank you so much for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy reading.